Hi y'all, today we are going to be making a strawberry pie. For this we have some strawberries, some sugar, some cornstarch. We also have a pie crust. I'm using a pre-made pie crust, you can use a homemade. But either way it's going to be pretty good. But before we get to cooking, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with a pound of strawberries. Keep it pretty simple. We're going to go ahead and just slice them into a saucepan. Now we're going to go ahead and move over to our stove. Alright, so now that we're over here at the stove, we have our strawberries. We're going to go ahead and take a cup of sugar. And then we are going to put this on a medium-low heat. We need to stir. And while we're doing this, we also will need to go ahead and get our pie crust pre-baked. I'm doing mine at 425 for about 10 minutes or until it's golden brown. Okay, once that sugar is fully dissolved, we are going to make our thickening agent by taking half a cup of cold water, dropping in 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then we're going to stir until we get this well dissolved together. Once we got that well dissolved in, we're going to go ahead, gradually add it to our strawberries, stirring regularly. Now we need to bring this up to a simmer. Alright y'all, once it starts to come up to a simmer, we're going to want to keep it at a simmer, stirring quite regularly for 10 minutes, give or take. Alright, once it seems like it's starting to thicken up pretty good, we're going to go ahead and cut the heat. Alright, so now over at our pie shell that we've gone ahead and pre-baked, we have about another pound of strawberries. If you'd like, go ahead, sit some whole strawberries to the side. Go ahead and get them spread out quite evenly. Then we're going to go ahead and come in with our strawberry filling that we've gone ahead and made. Alright, now that we got that done, we're going to go ahead, if you chose, to save some whole strawberries here. Now we're going to go ahead, let this cool right here for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, after about 20 minutes, we're going to go ahead, sit this in the fridge for about at least 4 hours. You need it in there for at least 4 hours. You want it to completely set up and firm. And after 4 hours, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, after some hours of cooling in the fridge, it is done. You can go ahead and serve this up with some whipped cream if you like. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.